Let's block Adobe Acrobat internet connection. Go to your computer search bar and type here control panel and just open control panel. In control panel, scroll down and open Windows Defender Firewall. Here, click on Advanced Settings. Under Advanced Settings, select Inbound Rules. And then we have to create a new rule here. So click on New Rule. And here, select Program. And select this program path. Click on Browse. And go to your local disk C drive where you installed your Adobe Acrobat. All you have to need, just select acrobat.exe file and open the file here and then click on Next. And here you have to select Block the connection and click on Next, and make sure to check all of these options and give name here Acrobat and click on Finish. After that, you have to go to Outbound Rules, and the same way we will create another rule here. Here select Block the connection, name give Acrobat, click on Finish, and that's it. You have successfully blocked internet connection for Adobe Acrobat. Here we can see.